Hi friends, in this video I will explain you the easy method to apply slow motion to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So first of all, import media. So I will double click in the project panel, and in the desktop I have one video. So first of all we will import that video, then drag and drop the video in timeline. So Adobe Premiere will create a sequence according to the video dimension. So you can see if I play the video is like this. So if we want to apply slow motion to that video, so how we can apply? Just right click on that video layer and then click speed/duration. Now speed is 100% and the duration you can see that's 3 seconds and 25 frames. So if we make it like 50%, you can see now the duration is 7 seconds and 21 frames. So just click OK. Now you can see the duration of that video has been increased. So if you play the video now, you can see now see, so it's now slow motion. See, so easily you can see how we can apply slow motion effect to our videos in Adobe Premiere CC. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends.